what's up? It's Kristen. Today I have another Stitch Fix unboxing for you. If you don't know about Stitch Fix, click on the link down below. You get $25 towards your first box, which is phenomenal. You can try it out for free, see if you like it, and you don't. Send everything back. It's up to you. So I'll let it be. I'll start the video. If you'd like the kind of unboxings, please keep on watching. So within the box, you receive your return envelope, and it's pre-labeled, and your price sheet as well as your style card. My stylist is Brianna. She is awesome. So let's get into the box. Okay, so first item we have here is a gray top. Super cute. It has a knot in the front. Like this a lot. It's a little bit thin material, but it is my style. I love gray, white, black, these type of colors. So this is really cute. This is a Stitch Fix exclusive. So this is, where is the tag? Oh, here it is. So this is a 9 Britain Levy short sleeve knit, knot front knit top in gray. Super cute. I like the knit, the knot right there. See that? Really pretty. It's lightweight, nice for spring. Super cute. Okay, next item we have here is this Emory Park top. I get a lot of these in my boxes. This one's a different material. It's a little bit heavier. It has that crisscross, and it looks like this is like a gray material with some white cream. And this is the Emory Park Dolce 3/4 length sleeve hacky knit top in taupe. So that's cute. Next we have a navy top. This is cute. Oh, that's the front. So it is V in the front, V in the back, and then there's in the back, there's this piece of material. This is very lightweight, very cute. Another Stitch Fix exclusive, 9 Britain. And this is the 9 Britain Malay cut front back knit top in navy. That's cute. I like that. Very nice. Next item we have here, I don't know how I feel about this, but it's gray and white. So it's a gray and white top, and there's some stripes there, and there's, looks like 2 strings, and in the back, it is just plain white. So we'll see if that looks with a pair of jeans. It's very lightweight. And another Stitch Fix exclusive, this is Sweet Gray Junie mixed material top in white. So that's really cute. Next we have a Maxi Dress. It is very soft. I'm just not a fan of the cut on the top. So this is nice. Let's see, I'll stand up so you can see this is the design. Very cute, long. Oh, and it's flowy at the bottom. It's not straight. It like flounces out. See that? Can you see that in there? Yeah, I don't know. I'll show you in the thing. It's cute. We'll see how it looks on me. And so I'm going to try everything on for you guys, and I'll be right back. First is the gray top with the knot. It's cute. It's really nice. Here's the knit, the knot. So yeah, I like gray. Let me know what you guys think. Okay, next is this top. It's cute. It has some strings here. It has the V-neck. And then the white in the back. It's okay. It's not my favorite, so let me know what you guys think. Okay, so next is the navy top with the cool back. It's really cute. I really like this top a lot. It fits really nice. I did a little tuck. You can undo it, but I really like this for the summer. It's really lightweight. Really goes cute with these jeans. Would go cute with some jean shorts. Yeah, let me know what you guys think. I like this really a lot. I don't know why I'm gonna kick up navy lately, but it's cute. Okay, next is the taupe top. This is super soft. I really like it a lot. I'm looking at it. The color is pretty. It's cute for spring. I'm gonna do a front tuck. Really cute. I really like this a lot. Very nice. Alrighty, next is the Maxi Dress. So let me pull you guys down so you can see. It's super cute. I love the colors. It's that navy color that I love. The bottom is actually really cute. I love it a lot. It cinches here in the waist, so it fits really nice. So you can see, I really like this a lot. It's really nice. And the top, the only thing I don't like, it goes in kind of here, but I'll just have to wear a different kind of bra, or just like crisscross my bra in the back. But yes, really love this pattern. Look at this pattern. Super cute, super like for summer, spring, for work, love it. Okay guys, so I'm back. So I'm loving this box. This one's really good. So let's start out. First item is this maxi dress. I didn't think I would like it, but I absolutely love this pattern, love these colors. It's so pretty. This is French gray and it is $54, and that is a total steal, so I'm getting that. Next is this Emory Park top. I am a sucker for taupe. I love taupe, so I will be keeping this. I'm so excited. Next, this navy blue top. Love. In love. Love it. Totally great. Keeping it. I love it. Super excited. So this top here, I like this. I might give this to my mom, see if she likes this. If not, if it doesn't fit her, then I don't know. Maybe I'll sell it. And this gray top, I will wear this, no problems. Love gray, wear this to work with some cute jeans. So yeah, I will be keeping everything. Love this box. Total $218, $54.50 is the discount. Subtotal is $163.50. I had a $50 credit, so $113.50. Keeping it all, love it. Super cute. Brianna is my stylist. You are great. I am keeping everything. And thank you guys. Please like and subscribe and keep on watching my videos. I do every kind of unboxing video. I do have a trunk club coming, so check that out. Thank you. Bye.